If you've spent your whole life on public water and public sewer, the first time you fall for a rural property out here in York or Lancaster County, somebody is going to mention well and septic, and you might just nod along while quietly wondering what that actually means for you. Here's the short version. A private well means there's no water bill and no municipal supply, but the water quality is entirely your responsibility. A septic system means there's no sewer bill, but the maintenance of that tank and drain field falls on you too. Neither one is a red flag. Plenty of wonderful homes out here run on well and septic and have for decades. What matters is testing before you buy. You want the water tested for quality and for flow rate, and you want a full septic inspection, not just a quick peek at the tank lid. And here in Pennsylvania, the rules on whether that's required actually change from one township to the next, which is exactly why it helps to have someone local walk you through it. That actually brings up something worth pausing on for a second. I'm Susan Johnston with Iron Valley Real Estate of York County. If you're new here, we cover a different honest real estate question like this one every week. The kind of thing buyers and sellers wonder about, but don't always feel comfortable asking out loud. So go ahead and hit the subscribe if you don't want to miss the next one, and drop a comment below telling us whether you've ever dealt with a well or septic system. We read every single one. And if you want to talk through your specific situation, we're always just a message away using the information in the description. All right, let's get back to it. The biggest mistake we see buyers make isn't choosing a property with well and septic, it's skipping the inspection to save a few $100s. That decision can end up costing $10,000 or more if a drain field turns out to be failing. The testing is inexpensive. The peace of mind it buys you is worth far more than that. So if you're house hunting and you come across a property and its own water and sewer system, don't let that scare you off, and don't skip the homework either. We've put together a full breakdown on our blog covering exactly what to test, what it costs, and what happens if something comes back failing. It's worth 5 minutes of your time before you write that offer.
For all of your Susquehanna Valley real estate needs, contact Susan and Kurt Johnston at Iron Valley Real Estate of York County.